girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, Loyal Corner. It's the first time here on Gordon Guitar. This one is cool song, hates, cool beats, and we have pretty much 3 chords. We'll throw in a 4th chord because that one is used sometimes, but mainly 3. So that is what we're gonna work with. No need for any cape on this one. And let's start with the chords. So we will play C sharp in this way. So you need to play a bar here on the 4th fret from the A string and down, so 5 strings, and the rest will be 6 on D and 6 on G. That will be our C sharp chord. The next will be the D sharp, so you just take the same grip you have there and move it towards you 2 frets, so you will land with the bar on the 6th fret from the A string and down, and you will have that one, the D string, 8th fret, and a G on 8th. That will be the D sharp chord. And then you take everything up just 1 string. So you keep the bar now on all strings, and that will be the A sharp minor. So bar here on the 6th fret, all strings, and the rest will be 8 on A string and 8 on D. We'll throw in even the G sharp. So you take the same grip you have here from the A sharp minor and go up here to the 4th fret with the bar. So you bar all strings here on the 4th fret, and the rest will be 6 on A, 6 on D, and 5th on G. That will be the G sharp. Okay, that one is not used that much. It's pretty much C sharp to D sharp to A sharp minor, and that is the chord progression. We can look at the strumming, okay? So for the C sharp and D sharp, you will play the same. It will be down, down, up, and it's pretty fast. So it's like this, down, down, up, and then you switch to D sharp, down, down, up, and then you're gonna play the A sharp, down, down, clap, down, up. That is 1 round. So you're gonna play that for 3 rounds. So down, down, clap, down, up, down, down, clap, down, up, down, down, clap, down, up. And then it goes like this round and round. So C sharp, down, down, up, D sharp, down, down, up, and A sharp, down, down, clap, down, up, down, down, clap, down, up, down, down, clap, down, up. Sometimes it's C sharp, and then instead of D sharp, you go up to G sharp, and then A sharp minor with the same strumming pattern here. So C sharp, down, down, up, and then G sharp, down, down, up, and then the A sharp minor the same. That pretty much covers Loyal Corner's hates. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Play tuned.